Liposarcoma overall as a disease type, as a cancer type, affects roughly 3,000 patients per year in the United States. And fundamentally, it's a cancer of the fat cells. And that's why you see the name liposarcoma from the lipid cells. And there's effectively 4 subtypes of liposarcoma, and dedifferentiated liposarcoma is one of them. The 2 subtypes that are often tied together are dedifferentiated and well-differentiated. They're very closely related. The well-differentiated component is less aggressive, and typically treatment results in surgical resection. So surgeons will largely cut it out because it's not growing as rapidly upon first diagnosis. But unfortunately, what happens is well-differentiated liposarcoma tends to turn into dedifferentiated liposarcoma. So by the time it's a dedifferentiated tumor, you will tend to see both components, the well-differentiated component and a dedifferentiated component together. Together, those 2 components, the well-differentiated and the dedifferentiated components, comprise about 2/3 overall of liposarcoma. So it's about 2,000 of the 3,000 patients per year in the US. The reason we're focusing in on the dedifferentiated and also the closely related well-differentiated, you may note that our pivotal study that we just started is in dedifferentiated liposarcoma with or without the well-differentiated component. So we will accept patients with both subtypes. And the reason for that is a unique molecular anomaly of these 2 subtypes, which is nearly 100% of these patients have gene amplification of a gene called MDM2. And it's a unique characteristic of these 2 subtypes that MDM2 genetically is amplified. And therefore, intuitively, it makes sense that if MDM2 is amplified and if MDM2 is oncogenic, if MDM2 is causing the cancer, inhibiting MDM2 makes a lot of sense. And that's fundamentally what we're trying to do. So as an MDM2 inhibitor, the Rain 32 program, also called milademetan, is a rational strategy in any tumor types that may be caused by MDM2 overexpression or amplification. So that's the rationale for why we're going there, and that's a little bit about the disease.